Hey guys, welcome back to another episode today of Unboxed, the series where we talk about new sneakers, new clothing, and everything else in between. Maybe a bit of history about the shoes or anything else we'd like to discuss. Anyway guys, stay tuned into the episode, see what happens. The LeBron 18 guys, today those are the shoes we're going to be reviewing in terms of the Space Jam: A New Legacy, the newest film that came out. This is the series collab for them with two different colorways we're going to be discussing. There is a third one, but I don't have that colorway just yet. So the box itself comes with the Nike tick on the side, the LeBron James logo at the back and at the front. With the opening up, you get the signature on the side. And in the inside of the box, you get the Space Jam: A New Legacy sticker. Anyway guys, so opening up the first pair. Woo, these are fresh. This is the Bugs Bunny vs. Marvin, so you'll see that you get the slogans already on the sides when you open it up. So the slogan being for Bugs Bunny being, "What's up, Doc?" And then the left pair, you'll get the one for Marvin that says, "He makes me so angry." Two colors of laces, so one white, one red. With the white one, you'll get the two ends of pink and green. The shoe is split up in two different colors. You get one gray, one black, just split up right in the middle. Obviously being gray for Bugs Bunny, black for Marvin Martian. And then on the tick, it's actually in a pink because of Bugs Bunny's nose. And then opening up, you will be able to see the insoles both have their characters. So Bugs Bunny and then Marvin is on the left pair. The back of the shoe is made of a leather material, a nice leather with the logo at the back and the signature right there at the bottom of the heel. Anyway guys, you've got the logo LeBron James at the bottom, and the bottom of the sole is also split up into two different colors. That is the Bugs Bunny vs. Marvin pair. I like this pair actually a lot. I think it's very different with the Tune Squad logo right at the top. And then anyway, going into the next pair, which is the Roadrunner vs. Willie Cody. They're basically around the exact same shoes, so they both come with memory foam at the back with Nike Reactable at the bottom. The only different thing about this pair of shoe is basically that it's a brown color and a blue color, one for Roadrunner, one for Willie Cody. So this is actually my brother's pair, while mine is the Bugs Bunny vs. Marvin. With the Willie Cody and with the Roadrunner, you actually get the insoles, the characters as well, again with the logos at the back. But the difference between the Roadrunner and the Willie Cody is that actually their back is a suede material, which is actually very nice. I actually like that feeling a lot. With the signature logo at the back again, their slogans towards the side. So for Willie, yow, and for Roadrunner, beep, beep. And then their ticks are actually different. So for Roadrunner, it's a swoosh, and then for Willie, it's an acme.co. And then their laces are actually in a nice washed brown material with their Tune Squad logos at the top. Their bottoms are brown and blue and red, just to change it up a bit. Apart from that guys, I like these pairs really a lot. Non-spoiler review about the film after watching it last night. I thought it was very entertaining. I thought it was very family friendly. I enjoyed it a lot. Props to LeBron James for acting, and everyone else in the cast really did a good job. The film was very Warner Brothers. Like, there was a lot of characters that were Easter eggs here and left, right, and center. If you guys want me to do an actual spoiler review about it, I can. Just let me know in the comments below. Anyway guys, these were the two different pairs that we discussed today. In the next episode, we're going to be talking about why Nike is my favorite pair. I hope you guys have a great day tonight. Peace.